I picked this question from June 2016 paper. It's MCQ paper 1, variant 2, question number 15. This question tests your knowledge on price elasticities and cross elasticity of demand. The table gives estimates of the price elasticities and cross elasticity of demand for bus and rail travel. What would be the change in the volume of rail travel resulting from 1% increase in bus fares? Well, as you can see that some information is given in the table. Information is given on elasticities with respect to price of bus travel and rail travel. So service is bus travel and elasticity with respect to the price of bus travel. So let's consider this value negative 0.37. So bus travel and elasticity with respect to price of bus travel. So that makes it price elasticity of demand. So this is PED. And what is required in the question? What would be the change in the volume of rail travel? So it means quantity of rail travel resulting from 1% increase in bus fare, price of bus travel. So it means my focus should be on cross elasticity of demand, not price elasticity of demand. So I will be looking for a value that gives estimate of percentage change in quantity of rail travel caused by a percentage change in bus travel, price of bus travel. So if I look into this option, negative 0.37, so it is bus travel and elasticity with respect to price of bus travel. So this is PED. So I reject my option D, so I cancel it. So this is not my answer. Now I move to the next value that is given, that is bus travel and elasticity with respect to the price of rail travel, that is 0.13. So this is actually XED. Yes, it is XED. But this XED considers price of rail travel, right? So elasticity with respect to price of rail travel. If I change my question, what would be the change in the volume of bus travel resulting from 1% increase in rail travel, price of rail travel, then this is my answer, right? So this is the reason I just reject my option C. I just cancel it out, option C, because I need price of bus travel in denominator, right? I want to figure out how much rail travel respond due to change in bus fare, right? So now I come to my third value, that is negative 0.43. Again, you can see that service is rail travel and elasticity with respect to the price of rail travel. So again, this is PED, right? So rail travel is the product and elasticity with respect to the price of rail travel. So again, this is not the option I'm looking for. So I again cancel it. Now I have only one value left, and that is 0.16, an increase of 0.16. So let's look into the logic. Actually, this is my answer because it's the only option left. But why this is the answer? Because you can see that service is rail travel and elasticity with respect to the price of bus travel, right? So here I need bus travel means price of bus travel in my denominator, right? So I want to look into that how much elasticity or how much my rail travel will respond from 1% increase in bus fare. So here the value that is given is 0.16. So an increase of 0.16. So A is my answer.